Welcome to TBK Career Point. Here is an opportunity, internship opportunity from the Zluri.com. So it is a software engineering internship. So the expected internship will be 30 to 40,000. So the students of the batch 24, 25, 26 students can apply for it. So let us see the description about the company. So it is a comprehensive SaaS operations. I think you might know what is called SaaS. It is service as platform, software as service, and management platform for IT teams. So, however, we are seeking a highly motivated software development engineer intent to join our team. So, the internship offers a unique opportunity to work on cutting edge technologies and contribute to the development of our SaaS products. You will collaborate with the experienced engineers, participate in the full software development lifecycle, and gain hands-on experience in the fast-paced startup environment. So it is a startup. So we have an opportunity for the engineering internship. So let us see. So the interested students can apply for it and share to your friends also. The what we offer hands-on experience in rapidly mentorship, opportunity to work on impactful projects. So if you have any further queries, you can mail to this email ID also. Interested students can apply for it and share to your friends also and like the video. Thank you.